So we start out today's video with this haircut and hair color transformation. It looks like she has some grown out color there on the ends. Her hair is very thick. And it looks like the stylist is just kind of shaping her up. Alright, so let's see what the stylist ended up doing. Whoa! Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. She's got that layered shaggy look that's trending right now. Look how volumized her hair looks. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. Now this is a hairstyle that we have been seeing working its way around TikTok for the past year, and it is obviously a great way to add some volume to your hair. So if you are looking to add some shape to your strands, definitely try out the return of this shaggy layered cut. This is such a chic style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today we are going to be checking out some hot hair ideas that you can try out this season. Loving this really pretty color blocked look of the blonde and the copper. Such a gorgeous color combination. We've seen so many different variations of the blonde with the copper, and to be honest, I will probably never get tired of it because I absolutely love the color combo. It's just so complimentary. Also a great option if you can't decide between going blonde and copper, why not do both? Next up, we got this really chic mullet style. Now this one is really heavy on the bang action. It does feature the longer sideburns, and she does have a bit of some curls going there in the back. Really unique shape with this particular mullet cut. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have someone in the salon for a color refresh of another one of my favorite hair trends this season. Now she has more of like an orange copper tone here. You can also try out the reddish copper tone depending on your skin tone. So there the stylist is applying the color. Now it looks like so far like she's adding a little bit of some red going there, maybe a deep burgundy tone. Ooh, so beautiful. The sheen here is just unreal. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out the rest of these hot hair ideas.